Hello, in front of me I've got iPhone 15. In this video I'll show you how to enter and manage File Manager. In the beginning, let's go to App Library and search for My Files app. Enter it. And thanks to Files app, you've got access to your recent files, shared files, and browse. Here you can check your iCloud Drive, internal storage, recently deleted, and downloads. Also you can scan documents, connect to server, and edit the layouts. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment, and subscribe.